Hey, we picked up a transformer. This is the 6-inch Wheeljack. We'll open it up, show you how to build it. Alright, here he is, Wheeljack. There's your instructions on how to fold him into the car. Let's open him up. They pack them pretty good. What's this? Oh, junk. There he is. Doesn't want to stand up too good, does he? There he is. Let's fold him up. What do you say? There's his back. Alright, there he is. First thing you want to do, turn him around, we'll fold the wheel, the feet in. Right there. Folds in like that. And we'll put him front end of the car together. Maybe. Well, there he goes. Fold this down, pop it up, fold it down. There's your roof as the car comes apart. Alright. Give him a little twist right there. Fold these sides and wheels in a little bit. Right there. This one too. Turn your spoilers around right there. There's your car. There's his weapon. Fits right in there. Alright, let's unfold him. Whoops. One thing about them, they don't break, they just come apart. Remember? Pop the wheel and this fender section out. This one too. Oh, we gotta turn it over, take the gun off. There we go. Turn it over, like so. Put his arms down. Undo the feet now. Oh, take the roof off. Forgot about that, yeah. Put the roof back right there. Okay. Pop apart the hood. Unfold the feet. Yeah, there we go. All right. There he is. Pretty much like he originally was. His weapon goes in right there. Yeah, aim that thing at you. All right, there it is. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.